I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting two things moving at once so dinner finishes quickly. Start a large pot of water and salt it when boiling. That seasons the pasta internally. While the water heats, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet and sear seasoned chicken over medium-high so you get a golden crust. Once the chicken is browning, add pasta to the pot and stir. Make sure to check package time and set a timer for al dente. Now focus on the sauce. Lower heat under a clean pan and melt 3 tablespoons butter, then gently sauté 3 crushed garlic cloves until fragrant, only 30 to 45 seconds so garlic doesn't brown. Pour in 1 cup heavy cream and let it simmer on low for 3 to 4 minutes to thicken a little. Gradually whisk in 1/2 cups grated Parmesan so the sauce smooths out. Make sure to finish by adding drained pasta straight into the warm sauce and tossing so each strand is coated. Add 1/2 cup reserved pasta water a little at a time to reach silky consistency, then fold in sliced chicken. Taste and adjust salt or pepper, and heat only gently so the sauce doesn't separate. If sauce breaks or becomes grainy, whisk in 1-2 tablespoon cold butter off heat or a splash more pasta water and gently re-emulsify. Plate and garnish with parsley before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.